Alright, I got a couple of Zippos for Christmas. Let's take a look at a new one we haven't seen before. And this one came in the regular dark side Zippo box. And the label on it is, it's called Pickens Tyger. So this is on a chrome, street chrome body, and it is definitely a Tyger. Has a real good sound, lights up nice. I'd say this is a Zippo that even Red John would like if he was still alive. I don't think he's alive anymore. Okay, this one was made in March of this year, so it's not too old. It's about a year old. This is an excellent Zippo. That is the Linda Pickens Tyger. It's a good one for my collection. Knuckle bomb.